In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix x.com or Twitter error 201 quickly and easily. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's get straight into it. First, the quickest thing to try is clearing your browser cookies and cache. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Once that window appears, make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then clear them completely. After that, close your browser and try signing in to x.com again. If the error is still there, the next fix is to switch your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and try logging in using your mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, do the opposite and switch back to Wi-Fi. This simple connection change can often solve temporary login or network issues that trigger error 201. After switching networks, open x.com again and try to sign in one more time. In many cases, one of these two steps is enough to get you back into your account without any extra troubleshooting. So to recap, clear your cookies and cache, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data until the login works. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more quick tutorials for everyday tech issues.